Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is Mohamad Kurniawan. I will talk in about geysers. Check it out.
A geyser is the result of underground water under the combined condition of high temperature and increased pressure beneath the surface of the earth. Since temperature reaches about 1 Fahrenheit for every 50 feet under the earth's surface, and pressure increases with depth. Water that seeps down in cracks and fissures until it reaches very hot rocks in the Earth's interior become heated to a temperature of approximately 290 Fahrenheit. Water under pressure can remain liquid at temperatures about its normal boiling point, but in a geyser, the weight of the water near the surface exerts so much pressure on the deeper water that the water at the bottom of the geyser reaches much higher temperature than does the water at the top of the geyser. As the deep water becomes hotter and consequently later is suddenly rises to the surface and shoots out of the surface in the form of steam and hot water. In turn, the expands aggregates all the water in the geyser reservoir, creating further expansion. Immediately afterward, the water again falls into the undersurface, heating begins, and the process repeats itself. In order to function, then a geyser must have a sort of head, a reservoir where water can be stored until the temperature reaches to an stable point, an opening through which the hot water and steam can escape, an underground channel for supplying water of an ocean.
Okay, thanks before this is my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.